How to change your PayPal password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I'll simply show you how you can change the password for your PayPal account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'll show you two ways. One is when you go to paypal.com and you don't remember your password. The other is if you do remember still but you want to change your password. Now first of all, when I go to the login page from the top right hand side, let's say that I do not remember my password. What I need to do is just tap on this button that says forgot password. It is going to ask you to enter your email address or your username, so just go ahead and then enter the email address that your account or your PayPal ID is actually associated to. So I'll also just go ahead and then do that respectively. Once I enter the email address that my PayPal account is associated with, I'll just tap on the next button, and then it is actually going to go ahead and then confirm using the PayPal app or the receive a text. Now I'll just tap on the option called receive a text, which is convenient for me. It will send a text verification code on my mobile device, and then I'll just go ahead and then simply copy this code over here, and then I'll just come back and then paste this code just like that. And once I do that, I'll just tap on the continue option. Now it'll ask me to simply create a new password without having to remember my old password, so I can just go ahead and do that respectively as well. Once I enter the new password that I would like to use, or I need to confirm them in both of these boxes, then I just need to tap on the save option from the bottom. And as I do that, I have successfully changed my PayPal password. Now if you remember your current password, then what you can also do is just go ahead and enter it first of all. Now as I tap on the login option and then I log into my account, I'll just tap on the not now button. Now I can also go ahead and then change my password from within the application by going to the gear icon from the top, and then if I go to account and security, I'll be able to successfully change my PayPal account's password just like that. And that's all it takes to change your password on PayPal and reset it if you do not remember it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.